how to make money on people per hour as a logo designer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, people per hour is a platform where you can create a profile in order to sell your skills. So for example, you're a creative writing, or let's go with design, which is our skill. And here, for example, you're a logo designer. So you're going to create your profile, and after creating your profile, it's going to show like this, where you're going to list your skill. And for the business owners or the individuals that are looking for someone to do the skill for them, make a logo design for them, they will come here and they will choose the one that suits them from the price and the work and all of that. So I'm going to show you how you can list your skill exactly like these ones, how to enter the price of the skill, how to enter the profile picture and the description as well. So here I'm going to go back to start from the beginning and go to your top right, click on the freelancer button. And here make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer, then click on sign up with email. And here you enter the usual information, first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here, I'm going to log in with my email. And then log in. And here you're almost ready to start signing. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about signing and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. Welcome. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, you drop a profile picture in here. You can drop a logo or you can drop your own face, it doesn't matter. Then you proceed to the job title, for example, award-winning web developer, or we can just go with a logo designer. And here you proceed to your skills. So the maximum skills that you can enter is 15. So make sure to use these spots wisely. So let's start with logo designer, logo design, and then let's go with logo. Let's see business logo, logo. If you can do logo animation, you can choose logo animation as well. You can also go with 3D logo. And here you can go with glowing logo as well, logo coloration, logo type, vintage logo. And then if you can do other things with design, you can enter design. And here you can go with 3D design, or we can go as well with brand design. And that's it for me. Then you proceed to entering your description. It's where you describe yourself to buyers. So guys, here, in order to enter a good description or a decent description for your profile, we will need to make some search, and we will need to check our competitors' description. So here, let's go to the design and let's go with logo design. Open it in a new tab. So here we're going to see some descriptions or some bios in order to get some thought or some inspiration from our mates or our competitors' description. So here, let's start with this one. For example, let's read this man's description, Danny. So here, let's check his description, and from the first impression is that this description is very long, but it's almost organized. So here you start with welcome. I'm a passionate and versatile graphic designer and web developer with a love for creating visually stunning designs and immersive web experiences. Based in London, UK, I specialize in delivering exceptional design solutions that captivate and resonate with the audience. And this is his portfolio link. So this is a very long description. I don't recommend to do anything like that. We will need to make a short description which doesn't make the clients bored, and it's easy to read. So let's check this one's description here. So this is a brief description. This is a very good description. It's short and it's well organized, and as you can see, hello, apart from the professional view, I'm working in this industry for more than 11 years with providing the below services. He listed his services in here, and then he listed his profile. If you need anything else, please feel free to ask me and contact me. Let's move forward. Best regards, and his name. This is a very good description. If you can do one like this, that's very good. I like that description. You can read it in 1 minute or 30 seconds. Let's check this one. I think this is the last one I'm going to check, just to get various ideas about the descriptions. So here, let's read more. So this one also is a very brief description, but the one that we saw before, this one is more, I liked it more. I'm a top cert designer. I believe my design and quality is unrivaled due to the fact I put 100% into all my work and don't throw numerous designs at you that don't encapsulate your business. I have a BA Honors degree in graphic design and communication and have excellent knowledge of the Adobe suite, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. I have years of experience in the field of graphic designing, web designing, and development, and animation. I'm committed to delivering your high quality work in the least possible turnaround time. So this one is also a good description, but it's not like the one that we saw before. So here, after you get the inspiration, you enter your description, then you enter your location, the language that you can speak, and your hourly rate. Then you submit your application. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.